much again. I'm going to test out the motion blur using ND filter. I'm not sure whether it's ND32 or ND16, but I'm going to try it out. So without waiting, let's get to it. I'll set up my gear. Okay, I'm inside my DJI Go app. I have an ND32 to try out. I'm trying to adjust the exposure to get the shutter speed of 1/60 because I'm going to do 30 frames per second, okay, with 2K. My video format is MP3. I'm setting to NTSC. And the white balance, custom white balance, okay, about 5006. That's it. That's for white balance. For the style, I'm going to try with -1 for the sharpness. For the contrast, I'm going to try -3 for the saturation, put it to 0. And the color, I'll just choose, okay, there's nothing much, just to choose the Cine Light. That's it. You can start up the motor. Let me stand up, get ready for the takeoff.
Takeoff.
Let me set my GPS, home location, home point, record. Check it on the map. Yes, I'm at this point. Okay, it's quite windy today. I'll take off now. To about 10 meters. Okay, hover there for a while to get the home location. Alright, I'm going to take a I'm going to go into quick shot. Going to highlight myself. I'm going to do a dronie to a maximum of 200 meters away. Okay, and I'm going to click go.
3, 2, 1.
Bye bye. And 90, 200. Okay, should be coming back. going to try another quick shot. Okay, I highlight myself. I do a rocket now. I'm going to go to the highest rocket. How does this? How can I? Okay, the highest distance, which is 120 meters. And I'm going to click go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the aircraft is flying back to my starting point. I really can't see anything in this bright light. I think I would need a brighter phone. It landed right at the edge of the landing pad. Pretty good, I would say.